Google is planning to update its Messages app with additional features. The tech giant announced that it is updating its Messages app to remove one-time passwords automatically. This new feature is initiated to stop the single-use codes from filling up your inbox. Google has included this feature to have your OTPs automatically deleted 24 hours after they are received. So now you don't have to waste time manually removing them. To enable it, tap Continue with the suggestion window appears to confirm your choice. Moreover, the company will also introduce an SMS category feature, a new way to arrange text messages by categorizing them, separating personal correspondence from bank transactions and special offer notifications. For this, machine learning technology will automatically segregate messages into categories like personal transactions, OTPs, and offers, which sounds very similar to what Gmail presently does for emails. According to Google, the sorting is done on device and will work even if you are not connected to the internet. Furthermore, the forthcoming features auto-OTP deletion and SMS categories are both optional and can be adjusted in settings. Notably, the search engine giant states that these new features will be available in India in the coming weeks for Android phones running on version 8 and above. Make sure you have the most recent version of the Google Messages app if you want to try them out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with ForceBolt's YouTube channel for more updates on mobile and web development transformations. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.